So hello guys, welcome to my channel Faucet and PTC. Today I'm going to talk about a faucet that gives us a multiple withdrawal option. I will show you that. Now first talk about the ways of earning from this faucet. This faucet gives us an opportunity to roll every hour. I will show you that. And once you solve the captcha, just have to click on roll button, but make sure what currency you want to roll, a Dogecoin, BTC, ETH, whatever you want, you can just roll it. I will roll Doge for me right now. So, and here you can see the number of uh, currencies that I have, the payout for them, whatever I have earned so far, you can clearly see over here. And also you can earn by playing a multiply game as well. You can place a manual bet, or even you can do an auto bet as well with this. I'm only trying guys just to show you how the auto and manual bet works. If you want, you can play the auto bet as well if you want. And there is one more thing which you can do to earn on this site is like you can simply deposit the desired currency that you want and earn annual interest of 2%. You can select the coin that you want to deposit. Let's say you want to deposit Dogecoin for 7 days. This is what you're gonna earn, 2%, as I've said earlier. Dogecoin for 14 days, you're gonna earn 4%. 20 days, 6%, as you can see. If you want to deposit BTC, the same thing. They have different plans for different currencies as well, guys. And even you can earn by referring your friends, family members, colleague as well. They pay us a flat 50% on the base price. Even they give us 0.4% if your friend or if your referral actually plays a multiply game right here. Also they can earn on the lending part. Once if your referral deposit something to earn, you're gonna earn 13% from them, 13.5. Even they can earn by, if they play moon game, you're gonna earn 0.4 from the wager or from the bet that they place. So all in all, this is a very good site, guys. You can, if you can like earn plenty from this site. As I said, they give us multiple options to withdraw as well. Let me show you how it goes, the withdrawal option. This is how it's gonna be. If you want to withdraw Dogecoin, you can simply put in the Doge address and just place the withdrawal. If you want, you can withdraw Binance Coin as well, Ethereum, BTC, whatever you want. So I hope you guys like the video. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to press on the bell icon so that you can get update from our channel Faucet and PTC. And also I'm going to share a referral link with you guys, so hopefully you sign up using my referral link and I can earn a bit from you guys as well. So hopefully you like my video. Thank you guys, have a good day.